In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Google Calendar embed code and get it ready to use in your website CMS. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can follow along without getting lost. The goal here is to locate the correct calendar inside Google Calendar, copy the raw embed code, and then move over to your website dashboard so you're ready to place that calendar where you need it. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to Google Calendar. Once you're inside your calendar, look for the main settings area. This is where Google stores the configuration options for all of your calendars, including the sharing and embed settings. Go ahead and enter the main settings module interface so you can access the list of calendars connected to your account. When you're in settings, find the calendar you want to use. Make sure you select the correct one, especially if you manage multiple calendars for different purposes. Clicking the target calendar will open its individual settings page. This section contains the options that apply specifically to that calendar, not the account as a whole, so it's important to be in the right place before copying anything. Next, look for the embed code box. Inside that box, you'll see a block of raw text. This is the code used to display the calendar on a website. Carefully copy the full contents exactly as shown. Try not to leave out any part of the code, and avoid editing it unless you already know you need to customize the display later. For now, the most important thing is to capture the complete raw embed code from the box so it can be used properly in your site builder or CMS. After you've copied the code, the next part is to move into your website platform. Log into your web CMS dashboard page tool, such as WordPress, Webflow, or whichever content management system you use. This is the area where you manage your pages and site content, and it's where the calendar code will eventually be placed. At this stage, you don't need to do anything more than access the dashboard and be ready to work inside your page editor. Having the embed code copied before logging in helps make the process smoother and reduces the chance of copying the wrong version later.